You wouldn't believe how satisfying that is after so many weeks. We got lights in the new grid work with the new panels, bouncing the light off the newly painted floor. We got packing tables with extraction systems, but the biggest and best bit is our new door. But if we jump outside, we can have a better look at it. That's better, we're outside, and now we can see the nice new door. Fully insulated, double glazed, sealed, so now we don't hear everybody's conversation out here. We're nicely sound insulated, temperature insulated. The aesthetics of the building is a lot better, and the metal man's going to have a field day when he collects all this. The job list is getting smaller, which means we can move in faster, which means we can get your covers to you quicker. So it's a win-win, and we're just counting down the days now.